Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am here to talk with you. Today, I will make many mistakes. Today, very openly, very clearly, I want to talk with you because totally I am bored from my life. In last 3 years, I am making video, but during making video, always I have that type of mentality, means I have to make my videos very clear and without mistake, and I have to create a impression on the audience. For that type of thought, totally I am bored. But one thing is there. From now and from today, I want to talk with you freely and confidently. No matter how many mistakes I will do during my conversation with you, and what type of accent I will know share with you, doesn't matter. But matter for me, you and me. I want to share with you my problem, my sorrow, my sadness, and my happiness. What is the problem actually nowadays I am facing? And what type of things I am getting in my journey of English language? Friends, you know very well, for a long time I am making video, but I am still now same. Only two reason. Number one is always I try to show up, means overacting. Never ever I thought, no, I should speak in my real tone, voice, and I should use my real accent. But I was totally mad. And always I thought in my mind, means I should not make mistake during open camera. For this silly thought, always I try to show my hurriness, and with a different voice, with a different mentality I made video. But friends, from now I will try to speak very openly, very free mindedly. No matter my fear was make mistake. Now I am declaring I will make many more mistake. A big mistake I will do. What will happen? Nothing there. And always I have a fear in my heart, means fear of mistake. So from today, I will make unlimited mistake during my video, and I will use my natural voice and thought. So option is over, means option of fear is over, means fear. This fear also always means as like I am running and behind me a tiger. I am running and behind me a tiger also running. So similar life I was spending, means I am as a man and fear is like a tiger, and never ever I try to fight with tiger, but from now I will try to make many more mistake. I don't fear from mistake. I will fight it. I will make mistake and open the camera. I will try to recorrect it. And if I could not catch my mistakes, so dear friend, for you, my comment box is free. Very easily you can write. You can note down my mistakes. I will be so happy. when you will point out my mistakes. So I will be so happy. And number two means always I thought means about subscriber, about time, about thumbnail, but never ever I thought I should not think about subscriber, about follower, about my time, what's time. Because one thing is important. When I will be valuable for my audience, so automatically audience will choose me, they will respect me, they will support me. But how much I try to tell someone, please subscribe me, anybody will do? Never, never ever do me. Because first of all, I have to add value in their life. Why? They will watch my videos. What type of problem I am solving for them? Why they will watch me for a long time? Why they will give me time? So for them, I have to create a value, and they can understand when I will watch the videos of this particular person. So I will learn something. So, dear friend, whatever was my past, I can't return. But whatever time I have remind of today, not future. Because my life also totally in a hell. Sometimes I think how I passed my past time, and sometimes I think what I will do in future. In this two situation, in this two thought, I am just wasting my present life. I am eating, I am taking good type of food, but I can't enjoy because these two bull totally attack on me as lie. Yeah, I cannot enjoy the present moment. So, friend, I will try to make happy and be happy in a today, because today is my life. I know I don't, I have a not knowledge. I have a knowledge. Means my life is today. Because I know also, means future is not in my hand. Past and my back time I can't return. It is also not in my hand. But what is this? Means many more area, many more big cities I visited, many good quality of hotel I visited, many big buildings I saw, many highly means capital of India I also visited. But still now I also have a one kind of means unenjoyment in my life. I can say unhappy is the part of my life. Why? What is the reason? I have everything, because I should think the people, they are in the ventilator. They are crying for oxygen, but I can take oxygen freely. So what is not in my hand, I can do anything. But thought is the problem. We are just thinking about past and future. So from today, every single day is my life. I also try to make my day very valuable and also very meaningful. For that, every single day I will work for my present day. I will try to make myself happy in a present day, not a future means I will be happy, and if I did that I would be happy. No, I will think means how can I be happy in this present moment or present day? So I request you, please comment for me. How can I be happy in a present day? How can I utilize my time in a good work, in a worship of Allah, and also for creating myself? Because I don't need a bad hope, because what type of situation I am facing by this two bull means past and future. Now my situation, I am feeling I will be a crazy. So from today, I will try to make my every moment happiest moment of my life. Number third, so support me, and I don't say subscribe or give time. No, if you think I can add value in your life and how we can together learn this language, and how we can create the value in other life, how can we solve the problem, means how we can learn English language very fastly and very joyfully and joyfully. So stay with me and support me, we will all do together. Thank you for watching my videos.